In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your week in ClickUp from brain dump to calendar. First, open your ClickUp workspace and head straight to the project where you manage your work. Think of this as your base camp for the week. You don't need anything fancy to start, just a clean space where your tasks will live. Now begin a brain dump of everything you need to get done. Add each task as its own item, keeping the titles short and clear so they're easy to scan later. As you add each task, assign a deadline. This is important because due dates anchor your week and make sure your tasks show up where they need to in the calendar. If you're not sure of the perfect date, pick the best estimate. You can refine it later when you see the full picture. Aim for one task per action and keep descriptions brief, just enough to remind you what success looks like. Once your brain dump is complete, switch to the calendar view. This is where your week takes shape visually. Choose the weekly view if you want to see everything laid out across the next 7 days at a glance. You should now see your tasks mapped to the deadlines you set. Click into each task and start refining the details. Add a realistic time estimate for how long you expect it to take. If you're unsure, start conservative and adjust as you go. Buffer time helps prevent overbooking. Assign the task to yourself or a teammate so ownership is crystal clear. Set a priority level to communicate what should come first when time gets tight. While you're there, fill in any other helpful fields like a short description, a checklist for quick substeps, tags to group-related work, or dependencies if a task needs to happen after another. If your calendar supports start times, schedule them so your day follows a logical rhythm. Repeat this process for the rest of your tasks for the week. Look for overlap and drag tasks to different days or times if your workload looks too heavy. Keep an eye on balance. Spreading deep focused tasks across the week often leads to better results. If something isn't essential this week, push the due date now so your calendar reflects reality. When you're done, you'll have a clear, prioritized plan you can trust. Your brain dump is now a structured schedule, your tasks are scoped and assigned, and your week is mapped out in a way that's easy to follow and adjust. Save your view, and you're all set to execute.